Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. Ohanes and Igbo have reacted to the suggestion made by Audu Ugbe, who is the national chairman of Arewa Consultative Forum. He has suggested that there should be a team of people who should go around the northern and all other geopolitical zone negotiating for Ndibos, and that's going to be the way they can enter into the minds of other Nigerians. But Ohaneze have this reply for him. We are going to be looking at this in a jiffy and some of the reactions of Nigerians. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. The Igbo sociocultural group, Ohaneze and Igbo, on Thursday said it would soon set up 2023 presidential lobby team that will reach out to other zones in the country. The spokesman for Ohaneze Chief Alex Ogbonna said this in an interview while reacting to the advice given by the Pan-Northern Sociopolitical Organization Arewa Consultative Forum. He said the Southeast would soon start the process of reaching out to other parts of the country on the need to support the Igbos for 2023 presidency. Meanwhile, the ACF National Chairman Chief Audu Ugbe had earlier on Thursday, while filing questions from journalists shortly after members of the association paid a condolence visit to the Kaduna resident of the late ex-Chief of Army Staff, late General Inuwa Mwashishi, retired, urged the Southeast to set up a lobby team on the 2023 presidency. Asked whether the ACF would support the Southeast to produce the next president, he said the group was not a political party. He, however, advised the Igbos to reach out to the North if it was desirous of producing the next president. Ugbe stated that everybody has a genuine quest for 2023 presidency. Why not? Nobody is telling any part not to participate, but lobby. That's the only way to go in democracy. The ACF is not in the position to declare support for the Southeast for the presidency, but the ACF will show understanding. The Southeast should set up a lobby team, go around, lobby, and talk to people, and you will be amazed what people will say. Everybody has a case. The Southeast have a case, and the Northerners who wants to run will tell you he has a case too. When the Southeast start discussion, this discussion will bring about understanding, not insolence in the media. People write a lot of nonsense in the media. No need. We want to be one country, so we don't want one section to be angry and another one happy. We argue that rather harassing the North, the Igbo should set up a lobby group to get the support of other zones. Responding to Ugbe's statement, Ohaneze held the advice of the ACF that Southeast should set up a lobbying team for 2023 presidency to actualize the president of Igbo instruction. Ogbonna said that the Igbos have supported all other regions to produce president, and it behoves on Nigerians from other geopolitical zones to support Igbos to produce presidency in 2023 for Nigeria. Ogbonna, who spoke in a telephone interview, said, "Coming to lobbying group, that is good advice, and I want to assure them that already the machinery is in motion to make sure that all segments of this country will support Igbos to produce president for 2023, because we have been supporting others. We supported the North, we supported the West, we supported everybody, including the South. We are saying that people should support us. Even as I'm speaking, it is lobbying, and we will continue to lobby. So we have supported the North several times. Let's put it this way. In 1959, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa. In 1979, we supported Shehu Shagari. In 1999, we supported Olusegun Obasanjo. We have supported every one of them, including Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. So this is the time for them to support us to produce the president of Nigeria as the co-owners." Meanwhile, we said the forum was not disposed to the federal government granting amnesty to bandits, even with their move to make peace with communities. Ugbe said, "We want to say that the AGF is deeply depressed by the security challenges, a situation where people traveling in bus can be set ablaze, while those committing the atrocities are watching. It's unacceptable. That's to descend to barbarism. Our nation is in serious trouble. We as pressure group have whispered to government at all levels, and we do make suggestions and still encourage security agencies to do their best. We just hope and pray that the challenges will not go that way. All right, let's look at what Nigerians have to say in that respect now that AGF have decided, Ohanes and Igbo have reacted to it. Someone here, the Southeast only supported PDP presidential candidate, so go and lobby your PDP friends, because as for APC, the presidential seat is not vacant, because APC has already gotten a candidate and his name is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Imagine what someone is saying. Another person here says, Ohaneze, do you really feel the pulse of the Nigerian people? Other ethnic groups are telling you that you want to go through IPOB agitation for Biafra, and you are here planning lobby team for Southeast 2023 presidency bid. Are you out of your mind? Another one says, well done, Ambassador George Obiuzo. You are doing a wonderful job. Another person here says, this is a serious issue because the statement by Ohanes Ndibo does not represent the interests of the Ndibos. All what we are agitating for is to have a country of our own so that we can rule ourselves the way we feel like ruling. Another one say, one Nigeria, for it to be a reality, we must learn to support the Ndibos. Now, looking at the reaction of this guy, it's really important for Nigerians, first of all, to accept that it is Ndibo's time before we can now go further talking about getting support from them. One of the things I have noticed right now is that the different political parties already have aligned certain people that will, lead. For example, APC already have in mind. Many of them know that it's Bola Ahmed Tinubu that will have to take the lead for presidency. And that's why this issue is really troubling. Though a lobby team will go an extra mile in changing the narrative and will also re-emphasize the need for Ndibos, but with the plan of things by most political parties, it seems a little bit bleak for the Ndibos to get into, Aso Rock to lead. Why? Because participation has always been what most people talk about, and most of the political parties already, they had someone had already queued behind and all of that. But be that as it may, if we are looking at national unity, I think that Igbo should still be one of the focal points for all for all political parties, because we know that if we can quell their anger and go ahead in helping to secure presidency for them, at least we are so sure that the agitation in Southeast would not be as strong as it is right now. After all, just like this guy had rightly said, Ngigi had said once, that if they give Igbos the presidency, it will stop this Biafra agitation. He had promised that. And also the same thing from Ezefi and the rest. I feel that they should be given a chance, because that chance will go a long way to correct some of the negative impressions in their heart about them being the co-owners of Nigeria. That's what I would like to leave you guys.